Alright, look what I got. Doing a demo ride on a zero electric motorcycle. So it looks good. I like the orange. Few basic things is that's all I know right now is the basics. You okay, you need a key, but underneath here you keep your cable for charging it, and you just plug in to the side of the bike to charge it. And no clutch, that's weird. Front brake, everything else is like normal. Green light. Alright. Whoa, it's like the bike's not even running. This is weird. I feel like the engine's not on because it doesn't have an engine. Whoa! It feels good. It's got a good riding position. Whoa, this is so weird. Oh, good little bit of torque there. Oh, peach. We'll take the next, we'll go south side. We were supposed to turn at Peach Drive. Man, this is crazy. Feels like there should be an engine running.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, he's on the red one. This one's like a scrambler type. It's got like the off-road type tires, scrambler tires. So I think we're gonna swap out. We're gonna do a little loop here and then swap out when we get back. Oh man, dude, that is some acceleration. That is some impressive acceleration there. So yeah, you've got on this zero, I don't know the model, but you've got 3 riding modes. You've got a power saving mode, which he said is slow as hell. You've got the sport mode, which I think I'm in right now, and then you've got a custom mode where you can set up, you could even adjust like the power band and everything. Looks like it has adjustable suspension. It's pretty comfortable. So far so good. I like it. The only thing that I don't like is the thought of being limited in how far I can ride. He said that it takes, with the regular setup, it's an overnight charge. I don't know, maybe 8 hours, but you can get a fast charger as an option, and I think they actually install it. I'm not sure. That's what he was kind of saying, is it might install on the bike as an option, and it only takes an hour and a half. But this is the and you can go about 170 miles or so, I think is what he said. So if you say, like, I wanted to go to Daytona Beach, which is almost 90 miles away, that'd be slightly out of range. Well, I could get there, but where would you find a place to charge it? Because it plugs into a normal power outlet, is what I think he said. Maybe, I don't know where you'd go. That's something that I'd have to look into. This is fun though. So definitely a different experience. Whoa! Yeah, okay, so that was a little bit of full throttle. It's not, I don't think you'll be doing wheelies on this thing, but it's definitely got enough acceleration to be safe. You know, you'll be able to power around situations and pass cars for sure.
You want to switch here? I don't want to go back out once we get back. We'll
Where's... Alright, we're switching. This one's smaller. Looks smaller. Yeah, this feels smaller. 40% battery life.
Perfect for you. Good size for you.
Yeah, it felt... It did feel good.
Yeah.
Felt good.
That was torquey as hell, though.
It's the DS, 0DS. It's got like the scrambler tires. It looks good. I like the look of it. That orange is really nice. Single front brake rotor. It's not a race machine, so this one's got, yeah, one disc. Oh shit, did he turn it off? What the hell? Oh, kickstand wasn't all the way up. There we go. Oh, that's always fun. We do have a little bit of acceleration, so yeah, that's plenty of acceleration to pop out into traffic. Well, this one feels sportier actually. I feel like I'm on a sportier bike. The handlebars are a little bit lower. I don't know what model this is. It's smaller. It might be the same frame. I don't know. But yeah, I did put the kickstand. I went to put the kickstand up, but it didn't go all the way into place. That's why it wouldn't go anywhere, because it was partially engaged. This is the SR. This is the 0 SR. It feels lower, feels a little sportier riding position. It's got full-on street tires. I feel like I'm riding a bicycle without having to pedal. It's so, there's no noise. Oh, it's got an RPM thing. That's not a lane, bro. He's putting those scrambler tires to use, going off road. Having a little bit too much fun right now, I must say. Definitely, I'd say like the ultimate commuter bike. Brake feels good. I went to downshift. I just went to downshift with my foot.
Legit. That one feels torqueier. That's got more power.
Huh.
Okay.
He's saying that this one felt torqueier to him.
That feels torqueier, yeah.
13.0 lithium ion Z-Force.
Like 38. Yeah, it was a 42 when I left.
Okay. Whoa, he's right. This one does have a crisper torque. Like very, shoot, the front wheel almost came up. Yeah, it's smooth though. It's not jerky. You could probably, I'm sure you could probably take this to Jennings GP. You could take this to the track, run in the novice class. Oh, it's belt drive too. That's nice. Low maintenance.
I kind of want one, but they're way too expensive. I could see like 4 or 5 grand, but 13,000. But it'd be super cool though. It'd be super cool.
Looks like it's got preload. Maybe it has, I don't know if it has preload on the back. It might, for the shock. Can't see the top of the shock. It probably does. Looks like the front's, yeah, it's got dampening.
Where's your battery at? Are you like 75?
Yeah, I'd say definitely worth buying, worth the money. You know, it's all relative, but come see the guys at Beach Boulevard Motorsports here in Jacksonville on Beach Boulevard, and do a demo ride like we are. So yeah, this is the SR, red and black. It's got like a heat sink right there, heat sink for the motor. Here, I'll show you this compartment real quick. Let's look in here. So yeah, you got a good amount of space. You can almost fit a gallon of milk in there. It's your power cord. You just plug it in right here. It's about a 10-foot cord.
I
definitely fun. I just Google, see what you do, like Google what happens if you run out of charge somewhere. I do like the look. It looks even better in person, I assure you. It does have a good look to it. So afterthoughts after riding the zero electric bike. I wouldn't want to have it as my only bike, but it would make a great commuter. Save money. The battery in it is supposed to last like 400,000 miles. I mean, it'd be like almost no maintenance, you know. But yeah, I wouldn't want to. I don't like the thought of being limited by, you know, with the electric, being able to charge it and stuff. You know, I mean, probably work out okay. I'm a little concerned about that. But yeah, if you want to take out the Zero on a test ride, come see Glenn, sales guy at BBMS, Beach Boulevard Motorsports. It'd be worth your time.
I'll be back.